Good morning, dears. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and safe at home, right? Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Yes, shall we start today's session? Today, Wednesday, we are going to see the continuation of last class. I am your social science teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today we are going to see the continuation of last class. New lesson, last class we see, right? What is the lesson name? Unit 4, Atmosphere, right? So today we are going to see the continuation, okay? Last class we see about pressure. When temperature increases, pressure decreases. And when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. The average pressure of wind at sea level is 1013 MB. MB means millibar. The instrument, this is an instrument called barometer. It is used to measure pressure. Okay. Next one, anemometer. Anemometer is used to measure the speed of the wind. Speed of the wind is called anemometer. Next one, wind vane. This is wind vane. The instrument which is used to measure the direction of the wind is called wind vane. Okay, it is used to measure the direction of the wind. It is called wind vane. Next one, wind. Wind. The air which moves horizontally from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. My dears, what is wind? The air which moves horizontally from high pressure area, the air which has a high pressure, okay, high pressure in it, to the low pressure area, it is called as wind. High pressure area la irundhu low pressure area ku varradhu dhaan wind அப்படினு சொல்றோம். Air never moves in one direction. My dear students, did you see wind which moves in one direction? No. Air never moves in one direction. It moves from everywhere, in every direction. So, air never moves in one direction. It differs from place to place and time to time. It differs from place to place and time to time. This is due to the rotation of the earth. It is due to rotation of the earth. Wind energy is the form of renewable energy. Okay, it is in the form of renewable energy, renewable resources. புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய வளங்கள் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Renewable energy. Wind turbines converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. It converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy. A generator can convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. First, wind converts kinetic energy to mechanical energy. Then, generator wind converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy. A generator converts mechanical energy into an electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy. So first, wind turbines change the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Then mechanical energy can be converted into electrical energy by generator. This is a picture of windmill. This is an windmill. These are all the windmill. Okay, next one, loo wind. What is loo wind? Have you heard this word before? No, we don't hear this word before. What is loo wind? Loo is a strong, dusty, hot and dry summer wind which blows over the northwestern India. during the months of May and June. Okay, Lu is a strong, dusty, hot and dry summer wind which blows over a northwestern India. It blows in the months of May and June. It is called Lu wind. Next one, different types of wind. It is an 5-mark question. Okay, different types of, what are the different types of wind? First one, planetary wind. This wind blows in the same direction. Okay, this wind blows in a same direction. This is an example, see here. So it blows in a same direction throughout the year. ஒரு வருஷம் ஃபுல்லா ஒரே டைரக்ஷன்லயே காத்தடிக்கும். சரியா? This wind blows in the same direction throughout the year. Next one, monsoon wind. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic term mawsim. Mawsim, which means season. Which means season. Monsoon wind is the seasonal wind. Next one, monsoon wind. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic term mawsim, which means season. Which means season. Monsoon wind is the seasonal wind. It is a seasonal wind. Types of monsoon winds in India are southwest monsoon wind, northeast monsoon wind. There are two types of monsoon winds in India. What are they? Southwest monsoon wind, northeast monsoon wind. So these winds. Okay, next one, direction of southwest monsoon wind. This is the direction. So it blows here. It blows here. It blows here. Okay, direction of south to west. Southwest. Okay, southwest monsoon wind. This is the direction of northeast. This is in the north direction, so east. Northeast. Northeast. Here is a northeast. Northeast direction la monsoon wind flow agudhu. So it is called northeast monsoon wind. Next one, sea breeze. Sea breeze. Sea breeze blows from sea to land in the evening. In the evening time, sea breeze blows from sea and land. Okay, it blows from sea, கடல்ல இருந்து நிலத்துக்கு வந்து காத்தடிக்கும். இது called, இதான் என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், sea breeze. It is blows from sea to land in the evening. Sea breeze, it breeze from sea to land in the evening. Sea breeze. So rising air helps to form clouds. Then cooler air sinks. Then sinking air spreads along surface. Sea breeze, warm air rises. The ocean is cooler compared to land. Which is cooler? Ocean is cooler when compared to land. High pressure area. Land is a low pressure area. It heats up. Land is a low pressure area. Then land breeze. What is this? Land breeze. Land breeze blows from land to sea in the morning. Which time? It is in the morning. It blows from land to sea. Sea breeze blows from sea to land. Land breeze blows from land to sea. Okay, next one. Here is a picture. Land breeze. Rising air helps form clouds. Warm air rises. Then land breeze. Sinking air spreads along surface. So here land cools down high pressure area. Okay, it is a high pressure area. Here ocean is warm compared to land. So this is a low pressure area. Land breeze la land the high pressure area. So when it is in the sea, sea is a high pressure area. Next one, local wind. What is called as local wind? Local wind affects the weather. Local wind affects the weather. First one, warm local wind. Second one, cool local wind. Warm local wind is northwest India. And for example, Lu. So, local wind affects the weather. First one, warm local wind, northwest India. For example, Lu. Second one, cool local wind. It is in the northeast India. Example, nor'westers. Example, nor'westers. Next one, jet streams. What is jet streams? It is a 5-mark question. Jet stream, 6th Roman letter, first question. Jet streams, first point. Air currents in the upper layers of atmosphere is known as jet streams. Okay, air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. Second point, it could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. This only, jet streams only determine the arrival and departure. Varradhu poradhu adella solvanga illaya. Arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. It only determines. Which one is determining? Jet streams. This is an example for, this is a picture of jet streams. Okay, it only depends the arrival and departure of monsoon winds. Air currents in the upper layer of atmosphere is known as jet streams. Second point, it could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. Next one, cyclone, hurricane. Okay, cyclone, hurricane. It is a 2-mark question. 6th Roman letter, second question. Okay, 6th Roman letter, second question. Cyclone. Cyclone changes its position and direction with time to time. Time to time it is changing its position and direction. Cyclone form ஆயிருக்கு அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா, புயல் form ஆயிருக்கு. So cyclone means it changes its position and direction with time to time. The speed of wind also changes with time. The speed of wind also changes with the time. It gives heavy rainfall. This first point is only your 2-mark question. Cyclone changes its position and direction with time to time. Okay. This is an example. Okay. இங்க எப்படி புயல் ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க. This is an example for cyclone, hurricane. Okay. Next one, clouds. Next one, clouds. Clouds are large collection of very tiny droplets of water. These are divided into 4 types on the basis of appearance and heat. Appearance and height, sorry. Appearance and height. On the basis of appearance and height, the clouds can be classified into 4. What are they? Cirrus clouds, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds and nimbus clouds. Okay. What are the types of clouds? It is divided on the basis of appearance and height. What are the 4 types? Cirrus cloud, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds and nimbus clouds. First one, cirrus cloud. Have you seen this type? Next one, cirrus cloud. Cirrus cloud appears like a silver grey fish. It looks like a silver grey fish at the very high land altitude in the sky. These may not give rain. These clouds is not giving rain. It looks like a silver grey fish. It looks like a silver grey fish which having high altitude. Okay. Sorry. High altitude. And next one, stratus cloud. This cloud is called as stratus cloud. Stratus cloud is grey in color and or spread out. எல்லா இடத்துலயும் spread ஆயிருக்கும். They may give small shower. அப்படினா கொஞ்சம் லேசா மழை தூரும் இப்படி இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா. stratus cloud வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா லேசா there is only a small shower, கொஞ்சம் தான் லைட்டா மழை பெய்யும் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். next one, cumulus cloud. This is cumulus cloud. Cumulus cloud looks like a puffy white cotton and gives convectional rainfall. This looks like a cotton, right? White cotton, and gives convectional rainfall. These clouds are associated with rainfall, lightning and thunder. It is associated with இது மாதிரி தனித்தனியா இருந்துச்சு, white cotton மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுனா தான் these clouds are associated with rainfall, lightning and thunder. These clouds are associated with which cloud? Cumulus cloud is associated with rainfall, lightning and thunder. இப்படி இருந்துச்சுனா மழை பெய்யும். Next one, nimbus cloud. It is a two mark question. Nimbus cloud. Nimbus cloud appears as dark and gray in color. எவ்வளவு கருப்பா இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா, கருமேகம் சூழ்ந்திருக்கு. Nimbus cloud appears as dark or gray in color. It gives heavy rainfall. This cloud gives heavy rainfall. Which cloud? Nimbus cloud only gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain cloud அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. It is otherwise called as vertical cloud or rain cloud. This cloud is called as nimbus cloud. It is otherwise called as vertical or rain cloud. Okay? Okay dears, nimbus cloud only gives heavy rainfall. Today your homework is you have to write the first 3 questions. Okay? 5th Roman letter, first 3. What is climate? We see in this. Climate, page number 172. Here, the climate is the average weather condition of a vast area over more than 30 years. This is a climate. Next one, name the atmospheric layers. Page number 173. The atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Okay. These are the atmospheric layers. Next one, write a short note on nimbus cloud. Here, nimbus cloud appears as dark or gray in color. It gives heavy rainfall. It is called vertical or rain clouds. Page number 182, 5th Roman letter, 3rd question. So these first 3 questions is your today's homework. Write it in a homework note and take a picture of it and send it in our group. Okay dears? Students, those who are not paying your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Thank you children. Have a nice day.